Hi everyone, I'm Alexa. I worked as a business analyst at Accenture, spent a lot of time in fintech banking, built and failed in startups, pitched to investors, sold to partners, won hackathons, and now I'm building my own product. So I'm not just a beautiful girl reading text from ChatGPT, I'm telling all of that from my own experience. Okay, so I spent months and thousands of dollars trying to build a proper MVP. Then I saw guys in Nigeria run almost the same business model with Telegram and Google Forms, and honestly their MVP was better than mine. Painful but true. My startup was Belonix, marketing for devtool companies. Developer creators try devtools, publish about them on GitHub and Twitter and get paid. In my head it was obvious, we need a platform. Brands on one side, developer creators on other side. Tasks, verification, payments, profiles, dashboard, very serious, very startup, very we are building product. And this is where I fucked up. Instead of proving the transaction manually, I started building the platform. Development became a nightmare. I can code a bit, but I don't love sitting with bugs for weeks. I like strategy, product, sales, growth, finding solutions, so I hired contractors. One was slow, another didn't understand the product, another looked proactive but was unqualified, another gave me insane prices. At some point I realized I'm not building a company, I'm babysitting development. Then I found another project from Nigeria, same logic but for meme coin founders and Twitter creators. Meme coin founders needed promo, creators posted, the team took commission, but they didn't build a platform, no dashboard, no onboarding, no payment automation. They built a Telegram group and Google Forms. A founder sent a task, creators post, creators fills a Google form with links. The team verifies manually and pays them. Simple, manual, working. And I was sitting with a proper platform, waitlist, product logic, and no real revenue from that system. That was the moment where I was like, fuck, this is a real MVP. I had interested people, but I kept them in waitlist because I was building the product. What I should have done is create a Telegram group with developers, create Google Forms, find 2 or 3 devtool companies, manually run campaigns, take commission, learn the workflow, and only then build software around it. MVP should not prove that you can build a platform. MVP should prove that someone wants the transaction to happen. Don't build infrastructure before demand, because sometimes your real product is worse than someone else's Telegram group. Bye.